life is always lifing, you know what I'm saying? Dito ko po i-document yung mga ginagawa ko po sa pang-araw-araw po. Can be errands, the things that I do dito po sa bahay mag-isa, opo. Pwede pong work, opo. Basta I just want to share with you guys how my life is lifing right now. You know what I'm saying? And I think as you watch these videos po, it can also manifest your life. Kasi ganun talaga yun, guys. It's like me extending my manifestation power to you guys in your sharing, opo. And sana po ay maka-inspire po ako na mas marami pa po tao. Your life can be lifing anytime soon, you know what I'm saying? Feeling ko this vlog po is gonna be more personal po compared po sa iba ko po pong i-release sa mga can be travel or mga conceptualized na vlogs, opo. But life is always lifing, you know what I mean? Hey. Yeah, so let's get it. Look at you, yeah, boy. Wait lang, ako series na. Anyway, opo, ang first agenda po natin is I have a shoot po coming. I'm gonna use this skirt from Sasa Jimenez po. Malapit lang po siya here sa aking bahay, opo. So ipapaputol lang natin para po mag-iba naman ang atake niya. And that's why I love investing on designer pieces, opo. Local designer pieces. Kasi parang kunyari, you want it altered. Sila na po bahala. I really love this skirt po. So nice. Ay, hindi pala ako nakalapil. Ate naman, ano ba? Is it correct? Yun na, per. Kaya kung magpapagawa po kayo sa mga designers, I think you need to choose pieces that you can use again and again para worth it po ang mga bagay. Para ROI, kumbaga, opo. And yeah, so let's get it.
Sika, sumag-alam.
So we're here in Sasa Jimenez Studio, opo. And we have here Miss Sasa. Yes. Si Miss Sasa, yes. Ang ganda pala ng side dito, Miss Sasa, kasi ang side ko doon. So may araw ka dito, ang saya. So this is the skirt. Kasi parang gusto ko, Miss Sasa, kahit hanggang here.
Okay.
It's so nice talaga. Even the neighborhood, no, Miss Sasa. Kasi yung mga clients nyo rin, malapit na rin here. Look at
So until the end.
Siguro